me feeling like running up the stairs like I'm rocky. Just got the green light.
Look, yeah, climbing up the ladder got me feeling like I'm running up the stairs just like I'm Rocky. I guess they thought they got me, but she can't even kick it like Ronaldo till she ride me like a fucking Kawasaki. I bet they thought they got me, but I skate on every beat just like I'm Gretzky playing hockey. And look, I bet she thinks she winning cause she got a couple follows. I bet she thinks she winning cause she popped a couple pills and started sipping out the bottle. Well, take a second listen, here's a hard pill to swallow. You just a basic bitch, I could find another you come tomorrow, huh? Hard pill to swallow, I almost gave you everything. I even had some clothes of mine, diamond rings, but fuck it, I'll be good.
Guys, so as you can see, I have monster truck fitment, and I mean it's not as bad on this side, but that side is terrible. It is bad. It needs to be fixed. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. And if I can lower my car, so can you. Guys, remember, safety is the #1 priority. Safety for jacking up a car. Guys, please use jack stands. Especially on a low car. Like obviously if you're working on like something like a truck, you don't need them. On a low car, if your jack fails, you're stuck. No two ways about it. And we're gonna sink into the dirt. This side's up, we gotta get the other side. It's like 2 feet. So I do work for F1. Bingo. That's it. Now that you got your tires off, you got the car jacked up, you need to either choose PV Blaster, WD-40, or just my personal 2 favorites. Just go for it. Use a whole bunch of these and you'll be all set. Alright guys, so you want to measure how far you have to go on your coils. So as you can see here, I have 1.5 inches from the top of here to the bottom of here. Drop my car about 1.25 inches here. Does correctly correlate to dropping your car here. So if you got 4 fingers here, you want to get down to 2 fingers, 1 inch. They directly correlate to each other between wheel gap here on the spring. After like 3 trips to whatever auto parts store and you get the thing finally all adjusted, you want to throw your tire back on, obviously. Yeah, I gotta find the nuts. Guys, so get your wheel back on. Alright guys, so they say 3rd time's the charm, right? Let's find out. Yeah, 3rd time's definitely the charm. Now, take a look at this fitment over here. Maxed out! Yeah, we gotta go up a little bit. I cannot drive like this anymore. Alright guys, time for the other side.
So low.
Is it just the way the car's sitting?
I want to pull it out and look.
So guys, please make sure to properly spec torque your wheels down. I like to, Puck says roughly 65 to 67. I like to go to 70, make it nice and even. Call it a day. So we got it lowered, we got it to where I like it. We're gonna go take it for a ride. 360 up here, so let's go. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, do all that, share it, post it everywhere. Thank you. Peace.